Welcome to importing assembly files using 3D InterOp. InterOp provides a quick and easy way to extract the complete product structure for assembly files, thereby allowing engineering applications selective loading of individual nodes of the assembly, subassemblies, or the entire assembly using multiprocess translations in the background. InterOp-enabled applications on ASUS, CGM, and Parasolid modeling kernels have the advantage of importing precise, high-quality geometry from large CAD assemblies and reusing the data in their application. InterOp product structure allows applications to extract the instance and reference information along with the path for individual components and their properties. Applications using InterOp can extract the names, missing components, and additional properties of individual components for an assembly along with their transformations. InterOp-enabled applications can do lightweight loading of large assemblies as a precursor to loading complete geometrical information from assembly files. InterOp also allows import of semantic PMI attached to assemblies along with geometry to allow your application to identify the tolerances associated with assembly components. Applications using InterOp can automatically identify the PMI attached to assemblies, including notes, dimensions, datums, datum targets, and geometric tolerances. InterOp provides applications the ability to import assembly files from all leading CAD formats, like CATIA V5 and V4, Pro Engineer, Unigraphics NX, SolidWorks, Inventor, and standard formats like STEP, ASUS, and Parasolid. 3D InterOp also uses native data access libraries from CATIA and SolidWorks, allowing applications to import the highest quality of data from these formats. For additional information on 3D InterOp, please contact Spatial.